Canting keel. A canting keel is a form of sailing ballast suspended from a rigid canting strut beneath the boat, which can be swung to windward of a boat under sail in order to counteract the heeling force of the sail. The canting keel must be able to pivot to either port or starboard, depending on the current tack. Purpose and history. Current use. Originally used in large maxi yachts, such as the Max XC6, canting keels are now beginning to appear in smaller boats such as the Open 60 and the VOS 20 and Volvo Ocean 65, Volvo Ocean 65 Ocean Racing classes, and the even smaller Skok 40 and Class Mini. The Skok 40, owned by Tom Skok, famously lost its keel and capsized, illustrating the fundamental problem with complicated keel design. Without a keel, most boats cannot float upright. The Volvo Open 70 class boats in the 2006 Around the World Volvo Ocean Race are perhaps the most well-known boats to use canting keels for ballast. While previous years' boats showed a few percent improvement in speed each race, the races held every 3 years, the VOS 20 class are showing a 30% improvement in speed. The 6.5-ton ballast bulb, hanging over 16 feet 5 meters below the water and capable of canting up to 40 degrees, produces a tremendous amount of righting moment over 130,000 ft *lbf, or 176,000 *m with the hull level, allowing the boat to reach speeds of over 30 knots. Disadvantages. The current canting keel technology is far from perfect. At least 3 of the 7 boats in the 2006 Volvo Ocean Race, one of the first major long-term races allowing canting keels, had problems with the keels. One area in particular, the plates sealing the opening through which the keel passes, are prone to leaks. Unlike a centerboard or daggerboard trunk, the boat Movistar had problems on leg 4 of the Volvo Ocean Race, 200 miles off Cape Horn, during the night on 2 March 2006. It sprung a significant leak when the sliding plates that covered the keel opening fell off in the middle of the night. This was a problem that had occurred earlier. Movistar's aft keel pivot broke loose and began flooding the boat. They made repairs in Ushuaia on the Beagle Channel. Later on, in leg 7, the same problem occurred in the North Atlantic. This time, the decision was made to abandon ship, and the crew transferred to ABN AMRO TWO. Movistar continued to broadcast its position for several days, but an aerial search failed to find the vessel, and it was lost. In the 2006/2007 Velux 5 Oceans Race, a single-handed round-the-world race, the Open 60 yacht Hugo Boss, skippered by Alex Thompson, had to be abandoned in the Southern Ocean due to the snapping of the hydraulic rams that controlled the keel, which caused the catastrophic failure of the keel. When this failure caused the yacht, on 25 November 2006, the boat's SATC transponder stopped transmitting. The abandoned hull was found washed up on the shores of Patagonia 9 years later. In December 2016, Wild Oats Roman 11 has retired from the 72nd Sydney to Hobart Yacht Race, citing a broken hydraulic ram. Race spokesman Bruce Montgomery said Wild Oats Roman 11 was unable to move its keel after a hydraulic ram broke. It's the gear that operates its canting keel, which is the keel that swings under the boat, he said. America's Cup. There were rumors that the 2007 International America's Cup class yacht Ailinghe might have had a canting keel. This would have given Ailinghe an advantage over its challenger for the 2007 America's Cup, unless the challenger, Emirates Team New Zealand, also had a swinging keel. The America's Cup Class Committee, chaired by Ken McAlpine, issued a ruling on 8 May 2007 which stated that canting keels and other movable appendages were specifically prohibited. Alternative designs. In recent years, canting keel devices have been proposed in which the drive is not a lever, as it was before, but something else. One of these devices is a canting keel with a chain drive, which is able to tilt the fin 90 degrees or more. The author of this invention is Boris Kuchukov. The fin and ballast keel must be in the air when a yacht equipped with such a device is moving. In theory, this should increase the speed of the yacht,